Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Cibu Hair is probably one of the most sought-after hair care lines on the market, renowned for its commitment to natural ingredients and its ability to transform even the most damaged hair. Today, we're diving deep into the Cibu product line, exploring its various offerings, and ultimately determining whether the hype surrounding this brand truly lives up to its reputation. We'll be examining the effectiveness of their shampoos, conditioners, styling products, and more, providing you with an honest and comprehensive review to help you decide if Cibu is the right choice for your hair care needs. Number 5. Cibu Repair Plus Protect Conditioner. It revitalizes dry, lifeless, and brittle hair. This ultra-strengthening formula softens while repairing, improving elasticity, and reducing breakage. It leaves your hair healthy and shiny without weighing it down. Massage a small amount into your mid-lengths and ends for a protective treatment. Leave it in for 5 minutes for deep conditioning. Regular use will add radiance to dry, damaged, and dull hair. It includes ylang-ylang and almond oils to soothe your scalp and silk protein for moisture. This helps repair and protect from heat damage. Treat your hair to affordable luxury. It's free of sulfates and sodium chloride, suitable for all hair types, and safe for color-treated hair. It fights frizz, flyaways, and tangles, leaving your hair soft and manageable. It's a high-performance hair care product perfected by over 10,000 salon professionals. It's paraben and cruelty-free, with color-safe ingredients that restore healthy hair. What we like. It revitalizes dry, brittle hair, improving elasticity for less breakage. It's also safe for color-treated hair, so your color stays vibrant. If you have dry, damaged hair and want to minimize breakage while maintaining your color, this is the conditioner for you. What people say. I have thick curly hair, this conditioner is worth every penny. It doesn't take much product to get through the knots. A dimension size and put on to damp hair. Makes it soft and hair feels great. I have been using this shampoo and conditioner for about 3 months. My hair feels so strong and I've noticed growth. Number 4. Cibu Detox Clarify Shampoo. This shampoo gently cleanses and removes product buildup, chlorine, and hard water minerals. It's suitable for all hair types, even color-treated hair. It removes product residue and buildup, restoring softness and shine without stripping your hair's natural oils. Experience its ultra-cleansing formula. Massage it into your wet hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. The gentle lather removes excess oil and buildup, leaving your hair and scalp hydrated. With botanical extracts like sage and rosemary, it cleanses impurities, leaving your hair rejuvenated, radiant, and hydrated. Enjoy the refreshing scent. It's sulfate-free and safe for all hair textures and color-treated hair. It helps restore smoothness, add shine, and lock in natural moisture for easy styling. Cibu is a high-performance professional line, perfected by over 10,000 salons. It uses cruelty-free, paraben-free, and color-safe ingredients. What we like. This shampoo effectively removes product buildup, chlorine, and hard water minerals without stripping your hair. It's suitable for all hair types, leaving your hair refreshed and revitalized. If you're looking for a clarifying shampoo that won't dry out your hair, this is a great option. What people say. Love how squeaky clean it makes my hair. This clarifying shampoo is amazing. Made my hair soft and gave me back lots of volume. My hair had lots of volume and my color-treated hair became more fresh. Number 3. Cibu 3-in-1 Wash. Simplify your shower routine with this amazing 3-in-1 product. It cleanses, conditions, and refreshes your hair and body all at once, leaving you feeling clean and refreshed. This space-saving, eco-friendly product simplifies your routine and is perfect for travel. One bottle takes care of all your showering needs, saving you time and money. It's formulated with botanical ingredients like hydrolyzed soy, wasabi root, and wild mint to deeply hydrate and condition your hair and body. Experience affordable luxury. It's sulfate and sodium chloride free, making it safe for all hair types, including color-treated hair. It helps restore hydration, manage frizz, and leaves your hair easy to style. Developed by professionals and perfected in over 10,000 salons, it's a high-performance product with cruelty-free, paraben-free, and color-safe ingredients. It brings your hair to a healthy equilibrium. What we like. It simplifies your shower routine by cleansing and conditioning your hair and body simultaneously. It's also sulfate-free and gentle enough for your face. If you value convenience and want a multi-purpose product, this is perfect for you. What people say. My salon doesn't carry it anymore, so I came to Amazon. I actually get this shipped automatically because I never want to run out. It is the best shampoo I have ever used. I can't find the Shine Squad oil, argan oil. Mine is about gone, I will miss using it. Viburnum is a great product. My son really likes this combination soap. Doesn't leave a film behind and cleanses your hair. Number 2. Cibu Color Conditioner 30017. Its ultra-hydrating formula with antioxidants nourishes and protects your color-treated hair, keeping it fresh and vibrant. It's safe for daily use on all hair types to restore luster and shine. Gently use it daily on dry or damaged colored hair. Apply it to the mid-lengths and ends, then rinse. Detangling is easy, and leaving it in for 5 extra minutes provides a deep conditioning treatment. This conditioner is formulated with a natural antioxidant-rich blend of Uji green tea, noni leaf, and silver needle tea extracts. It leaves your hair rejuvenated, soft, healthy, and color-protected. It's free of sulfates and parabens, hydrating all types of color-treated hair without weighing it down. It softens, smooths frizz, and adds shine, locking in natural moisture for easy styling. Cibu is a high-performance haircare line perfected by over 10,000 salon professionals. It's paraben and cruelty-free, with color-safe ingredients that deliver healthy hair. What we like. It gently hydrates and strengthens color-treated hair, helping to keep your color vibrant and healthy. It's gentle enough for daily use. If you have color-treated hair and want to maintain its vibrancy and health, this is the conditioner for you. What people say. This is one of the only conditioners that not only detangles my hair but doesn't stink after a whole day of hot weather. 4 squirts is enough and it's worth it. It works great on my damaged hair. Number 1. Cibu Balance Shampoo 30062. It gently cleanses and restores your hair's natural balance for optimal health. You'll instantly notice more moisture and strength, with frizz significantly reduced. Experience the gorgeous results. This shampoo features a unique blend of bamboo, aloe, and lotus flower. These botanical ingredients work together to moisturize, strengthen, and eliminate frizz. It's affordable luxury for your hair. It's sulfate-free and gentle enough for daily use, without weighing your hair down. With continued use, it creates a protective layer, strengthening and sealing each strand for brilliant shine. This shampoo is suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair. It leaves your hair supple, manageable, and easy to style. For even softer, tangle-free hair, pair it with the matching conditioner. Developed with input from over 10,000 salon professionals, it's a high-performance shampoo. It's paraben and cruelty-free, with color-safe ingredients that restore your hair's natural equilibrium. What we like. It gently cleanses and restores your hair's natural balance, leaving it moisturized and strengthened. It's suitable for all hair types and gentle enough for daily use. If you are looking for a gentle, daily shampoo that will leave your hair feeling healthy and balanced, this is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.